everyone, I'm Rachel. Hope you're having a great day today. We are about done harvesting for the season and my kitchen is full of ripe produce that I need to process. So today I am focusing on tomatoes. I have never liked the idea of having to blanch and pull off the skins and scrape out the seeds. It just seemed like way too much work for me. So I figured out my own hack and now I can make my own pasta sauce and tomato soup pretty fast and easy, no stress, and I wanted to share this with you because I think it's really worth trying. Let's dive right in.
First thing I do is dice up a bunch of ripe tomatoes and put them in the blender, and I end up blending it down about halfway just so I can fit more in there. Then I blend them on high for about a minute and a half. Next comes the fun part, straining off all of the skins and seeds. Even if little bits of skin get in it, I found that it still doesn't make it bitter. I don't even notice it at all. I seriously love this strainer. I use it for like everything. Now time to pick out some spices. Like moth to flame, the kids always have to come over and try and help out with this. We'll start with some frozen parsley from my herb garden. I found that freezing herbs actually works really well and it keeps a lot of its flavor, and since I usually just put them in soups anyways, that works just fine. I planted a bunch of thyme in my greenhouse this year in hopes that it'll come back every year. It's in a pot right now. And I'm also going to put in some oregano and oregano oil. It's very strong and spicy, so just do some drops on a tip of a toothpick and that will be plenty for your whole sauce. Trust me, I've learned this the hard way. Basil, marjoram, some onion powder, and I also do minced or diced onion. That helps absorb some of the moisture. And of course some salt. And if you want it to be just a little less acidic, you can use some baking soda and a little bit of sugar. As you can see, I didn't measure anything. It's all to taste, really. Just a little of this, a little of that, and you can always add some more. Adding seasonings near the end will help hold more of its flavor anyways. Oh, almost forgot the garlic powder. Can't forget that. Very important. You could do some fresh minced garlic as well. I just ran out of garlic cloves. I need to go get some more. Basically, you just boil it on medium heat until it starts getting thick enough that it starts splattering everywhere. That's how you know it's pretty much done if you want it to be a pasta sauce. If you want it to be tomato soup, just don't let it get quite that thick, and then you want to add some cream to it. I have a video on how to make almond milk, so you could add almond milk to this if you wanted. Or one of my favorites is this silk half and half. It's oat milk and coconut milk, so creamy and delicious. I feel like it fits perfectly. So this is what the pasta sauce will look like at the end. This is what the tomato soup would look like. And then I added some celentani and veggie meatballs and fried onions and zucchini from our garden. So there's just a few different ways that you can have this, or you can can it and save it for later, or just pop it in a mason jar and put it in the fridge if you're going to use it soon. It was so much easier to do this than I ever imagined, and this tomato soup tastes so good with fresh bread turned into grilled cheese sandwiches. Highly recommend.
So that is seriously it. I hope you can try this at home. Let me know how it goes, and if you have any other great ideas for what to do with lots of tomatoes at once, please let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking to try new things. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.